So I joined in about mid 2023. And when I came to my first NSA Illinois meeting, I literally remember telling one of the folks I met there was that I feel like I've met my people. You're in a room with passionate, hyper intelligent, communicative people who want to share in everything they do and share in everything you do and help you get better at it. So, you know, describe another scenario that has that as its sort of its list of things that they offer. So immediately I was, sucked in and thought, this is exactly what I want to do. I want to help other people, and I want to learn as much as I can and be around people who want to share as much as they have and what they've learned. And which, by the way, is very much an improv mindset. In improv, we say to each other before we go out on stage, I've got your back. Well, NSA Illinois, they've got your back. And I have felt that really from the get-go. So I jumped right in both feet.